I'm a therapist. I deal with people's emotions. I know how it feels to lose a loved one. But don't worry, we're all family. We're in this together. And you're gonna make it. Just be strong, be brave. Be a girl. Let your girl power be seen through this. Don't worry. In everything you do, just don't withdraw your faith in God. Trust in the Lord, and He'll fulfill your heart's desires. I know it may be hard, it's a bit to swallow, but please, just stay strong for me and for the other family members. We're in this grief together. Don't worry, dear, just put yourself together. I have to leave now.